guys, this is Dr. Maliha Syed. I'm a principal scientist at Uberliss, and today I'm going to be talking about the science behind the Uberliss Bond Sustainer Colors. So many of you have maybe tried our Bond Sustainer Colors already, or you've at least heard of our Bond Sustainer Colors. So what are they exactly? The Bond Sustainer Colors are a 3-in-1 product. Okay, there is no other color line out there like this. So the first aspect of our Bond Sustainer Colors is probably the most obvious. They're direct dyes. They're semi-permanent colors. The second aspect of the Bond Sustainer Colors are that they are a conditioner as well. Ooh. So they color the hair and they condition the hair. What could be better than that? What's the 3-in-1? What's the third aspect? So the most special aspect of this product is that it is also a bond builder. So we have the Bond Sustainer Colors are a direct dye, a conditioner, and a bond builder all in one, which makes them a complete color system. That's right. There's no other color line out there like this. In the next few slides, I'm going to talk a little bit about each aspect, 1, 2, and 3 of our Bond Sustainer Color line. So let's start with the fact that they are direct dyes. So you can see in this video here, the model really nicely shows you how to use the Bond Sustainer Color as direct dye. She just applies the color directly. It's semi-permanent, so you don't need a developer. You just apply it directly to your pre-lightened hair, and you let it sit for a while, and then you rinse it out. And then you get this beautiful, beautiful color. You can see the model's color, how it turned out. It's just amazing. So that's the first aspect of these Bond Sustainer Colors. They're a direct or semi-permanent dry. They're temporary, and they rinse out after a few washes. Now, in a future video, we'll talk about exactly how to use them. Right now, I'm just talking a little bit about the science behind these. Now, the second aspect is that they're a conditioner. So many of you that have used our Uberliss Bond Sustainer, the original, or our Uberliss Bond Amplifier, know what our secret is. We have, our conditioner has a fibrous formulation. So you can see with this model with her hands what's happening as she stretches them. You can see the fibers of the conditioner. So that's by design. We formulated our Uberliss Bond Sustainer Colors to have a fibrous formulation to mimic the hair fibers actual structure. So that actually strengthens the hair even more. So already you see in this product that you're able to dye your hair with these amazing colors that I'll show you that are full line later on. But while you're coloring your hair, you're also conditioning your hair. So you're strengthening it, you're moisturizing it, and you're softening your hair fibers all while you're coloring them. So you're getting a deep conditioning treatment and a coloring, a fun color at the same time. Now, the third and most important aspect of the Bond Sustainer Colors is that they're a bond builder. So many of you know we have our Uberliss Bond Regenerator, which has our own patent pending bond builder. So I'm going to talk a little bit about our bond builder and why it's so important to have a bond builder in a hair color. Most of it is, goes without saying, it's common sense. So most people who are going to use these fun colors have either already lightened their hair or have to lighten their hair. And we know that lightening your hair is damaging. So having a bond builder built into your color is extremely important. So hair strength is due to these disulfide crosslinks. So what happens as we lighten or color our hair? Well, the disulfide crosslinks break and the elasticity or strength of our hair goes down. This is some research that we've done in our Uberliss lab. So what happens to your hair's strength when we use color and lightener? You go from 100% elasticity, you lose 13% elasticity just by one-time lightening. Now when you lighten your hair twice, we go down to 63% strength or elasticity. So you lose 37% of your strength. Most of us have to lighten at least twice before we can use any type of color on our hair. So imagine that. You're losing 37% of your hair strength just by one time, lightening it so you can get that fun color. So I think it's obvious that we need a bond builder in our coloring system. So while we're coloring and we're reducing the strength, we're also rebuilding with those bond builders. So you can see here as we lighten our color, the disulfide crosslinks are broken, and then basically the Uberliss Bond Builder comes in and doop, it just rebuilds those crosslinks and restores the hair's strength. So the Uberliss Bond Sustainer colors have that bond builder built into them. So let's talk a little bit about the Uberliss Bond collection. In our original line, we have 13 shades consisting of vivids and pastels. And then, since the line has become so popular over time, we've introduced 2 more collections. We have the Uberliss Reds, and we also have the Uberliss Bond Sustainer Neons. So you can check all of those out in store and try them out. And you can see the beautiful results. These are all on our Instagram page that you can achieve with our Bond Sustainer colors. These are just some of the model. You can see this is with the neon shade. It's just amazing. You can get a softer look with the soft pink dahlia and hair of shown pink rose. So just to recap, the Uberliss Bond Sustainer colors are an amazing 3-in-1 product. First and foremost, they are a direct dye or semi-permanent color, but they are also a conditioner and a bond builder. So Uberliss Bond Sustainer colors actually address the need that lightening damages our hair, and we need a way to make it easy for us to restore the hair's strength while we're playing around with colors. So with the Bond Sustainer color, you don't have to worry about damaging. You're getting a deep conditioning and bond building treatment while you're coloring your hair. What could be better, right? So that's all I have for you guys today. If you have any more questions, please reach out to me. Again, I'm Dr. Maliha Syed. I'm a principal scientist at Uberliss, and my email is just my first name, Maliha, @uberliss.com. Love to hear from you. All right then, take care. Bye-bye.